So this is my bridge presentation. Here's my design brief. So the client company is Herman Inc., and then I'm the lead engineer. And my problem statements were, my first bridge will meet all the criterion constraints, which I'll say later, and that'll be as cheap as possible while still functional. My second bridge is, I could just do whatever I want and there was no cost, like limit. So, oops, forgot to put the design statement. But my criterion constraints are is make a bridge as cheap as possible, and then there's a bunch of different ones on the West Point Bridge, and I could basically, these are all the like options besides default. Like I could do any amount of like elevation there was, and same thing for the second bridge.
So no backstory, like where's your bridge going to, like bridge
I don't know.
Bridge to where, like Narnia or? Nothing?
I don't think I'd make a good.
No backstory,
I don't think anyone should actually build any of my bridges.
Okay.
People die. So this is my first bridge. It's really small. And my design summary, I used carbon steel because it was the cheapest out of all the materials. I also did like the smallest elevation because even though it was more expensive, it was cheaper to build the bridge that small than to have the one at like the 24 meters and just build it like really big. And yep, and then this is my bridge number 2.
Ooh, look at that.
And so I could do whatever I wanted, and so I used the quenched and tempered steel to make the star in the middle of my bridge pop out so you could actually see it. And then I also made the bars bigger sizes because it was very bad and not structurally stable. And then this is my cost calculation report for Bridge 1. These are, the material I used was carbon steel. I just did the standard joints, and then the product was, I did carbon steel. I did 2 different sizes, and then for the site cost I had a deck, and then I did that excavation, which was all the way basically to 0, because I found it was cheaper to do that. And then just standard abutments. And then this was my total.
For your first bridge?
Yes, for my first bridge.
Okay.
Let's go. And this is the load test animation.
Ooh. Nice.
Okay, so this is the cost calculation report for my second bridge. And then because I could do whatever I wanted, I did a bunch of different types. Still, I had a lot of joints, and it was really big compared to my first one. And I still made it smaller because I wanted like more space to build whatever I wanted. But yep. And then this was the total for my second bridge.
Cool.
And then this is the load test animation.
It's a death sentence for every single person that goes around it. You should see what I mean right now. It doesn't make every person.
Nice looking bridge.
That's it.
Okay, nice job.